Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to open GIC account in CIBC. Firstly, go to the official CIBC GIC payment portal and click on Student GIC program to start the application. The required GIC amount is 20,635 CAD. You can make the payment in Indian rupee or Canadian dollar. Just a tip, compare INR to CAD rates based on Forex exchange to choose the better option. Just click on student information and enter full name, student ID, tentative arrival date, address, contact number and email ID or passport details. Under how did you hear about us, select friends and family and enter your referral ID to receive 25 CAD sign-up bonus after payment. If paying in INR, enter your Indian bank details and tick all for declaration checkbox to confirm your submission. Once submitted, CIBC will verify your application and send the confirmation email within 12 to 48 hours. Just follow the instructions in the email for payment details. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.